Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 money-making apps that are perfect for students like myself who are looking to earn some extra cash. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Money-making apps are a great way for students to earn extra income while managing their busy schedules. These apps are easy to use and can be downloaded directly to your smartphone. With just a few clicks, you can complete surveys, complete offers, shop, or even play games and get paid for your time and effort. Many of these apps offer cashback, gift cards, or other rewards that can be redeemed for real money. This means that you can earn money just by doing the things you normally do on your phone. The best part is that you can work on your own schedule and from anywhere, making it a flexible way to earn extra income. Whether you're looking to save up for a trip, pay off student loans, or just want some extra spending money, money-making apps are a great option for students looking to earn extra cash. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards and cashback app that allows users to earn points or swagbucks for completing various online activities such as surveys, watching videos, shopping online, playing games, and more. These swagbucks can then be redeemed for gift cards or cash via PayPal. For students, swagbucks can be a great way to earn some extra cash without taking up too much time. They can complete surveys during their downtime or while commuting, watch videos during study breaks, and shop online for textbooks and other supplies while earning swagbucks for every purchase. The app is user-friendly and offers a variety of ways to earn points, making it easy for students to find activities that fit their schedule and interests. Additionally, Swagbucks offers referral bonuses, which means students can earn additional Swagbucks by inviting their friends to sign up for the app. This can be a great way to earn even more rewards while also helping out friends who may also be looking for ways to earn extra income. Overall, Swagbucks is a great option for students who are looking for a flexible and easy way to earn some extra cash. 2. Acorns. Acorns is a micro-investing app that allows users to invest their spare change from everyday purchases. The app works by linking to a user's bank account and rounding up purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the difference in a portfolio of low-cost ETFs. For students, Acorns can be a great way to start investing without needing a lot of money up front. They can link their accounts and start investing the spare change from purchases, making it easy to build up a portfolio over time. The app also offers recurring investments or one-time deposits, which can be a great way for students to save up for long-term goals, such as a study abroad trip or a down payment on a future home. Acorns is also user-friendly and offers a simple and easy-to-use interface, making it easy for students to navigate and understand the investing process. In addition, the app offers educational resources and investment advice, which can help students make informed decisions about their investments. 3. Ibotta. Ibotta is a cashback rewards app that allows users to earn cash back on purchases made at participating stores. The app works by allowing users to browse available offers and add them to their account before making a purchase. After making a qualifying purchase, users can upload their receipt to earn cash back. For students, Ibotta can be a great way to save money on everyday purchases. They can browse offers before making purchases at grocery stores, pharmacies, and other retailers, and earn cash back on everything from food to school supplies. The app also offers bonuses for completing certain activities or referring friends to the app, which can help students earn even more cash back. Additionally, Ibotta is easy to use and offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for students to find and redeem available offers. The app also offers a variety of payment options, including cash, Venmo, or PayPal, which can be convenient for students who are looking for flexible payment options. Overall, Ibotta is a great option for students who are looking to save money on everyday purchases. By using the app to earn cash back on purchases, students can save money and stretch their budgets further. 4. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an online platform that connects people who need help with tasks with individuals who are willing to complete those tasks for a fee. Tasks can include everything from cleaning to assembling furniture to running errands, and the platform allows users to find and hire local taskers to help them with these tasks. For students, TaskRabbit can be a great way to earn some extra cash by completing tasks for others. They can use their skills and expertise to help with tasks such as tutoring, pet sitting, or yard work, or use the platform to find odd jobs that fit their schedule. Students can set their own rates and choose which tasks they want to complete, giving them flexibility and control over their schedule. Additionally, TaskRabbit is easy to use and offers a secure payment system. which can give students peace of mind when completing tasks for others. The platform also offers a rating system, which can help students build their reputation and earn more business over time. Overall, TaskRabbit is a great option for students who are looking to earn some extra income by completing tasks for others. By using their skills and expertise to help others, students can earn money while also gaining valuable experience and building their reputation as reliable and trustworthy taskers. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these money-making apps helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any other apps that you use to earn extra cash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.